Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to unlock all the characters in Crossy Road, including the secret and special ones. If you want to complete your collection, this guide is for you. So, most characters can be unlocked using the prize machine. So, if you go to the shop, store, if you scroll below, you will see the prize machine. You can unlock it by using the 100 coin. So you can unlock many characters from here. So as you can see, I have unlocked this character which is called Carnival. So most character can be unlocked using the prize machine. As you play, you collect coins, and once you have 100 coins, spin the prize machine for a random new character. Keep spinning and you will eventually unlock the majority of the regular character. For the secret character, for the crab, move side to side like a crab. To unlock the crab character, you need to move side to side like a crab, and the crab character will be unlocked. Now to open the hipster whale, you need to jump on the whale, over the whale, or on the whale in the river. In the river, you will see the whale, then you need to jump over the whale, and at the end of the game you will receive the hipster whale. Now pecking order: collect coins in the quick session as a chicken. So from the here you need to wait for the sponsor. So if you look at the collection, this is the menu bar. As you can see at the below, from here you can see the collection of all the characters that you have unlocked, or you will see to need to unlock. So the normal character, which is called chicken, you need to play with that to collect coin at the single run. If you collect more coin, you will unlock the pecking order. For gifty, this will available during the Christmas event. And Pac-Man and Ghost, play the Pac-Man maze mode and complete small challenges. From there you will get on others character, special character like Inky, Ghost, and other character. If you go to the Pac-Man, from here you can play the Pac-Man mode. If you collect the small dot, you will get the chance to unlock the Inky. Some characters are region specific or event based, so keep an eye on updates and seasonal events to unlock them all. Patience and prestige are the key, and that's how you unlock all the characters in the Crossy Road. Keep spinning the prize machine, completing challenges, and checking seasonal events. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more Crossy Road tips, and let me know in the comment which secret character you want me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.